Alright guys, we're in a 2023 CRV. This handle here is to release the seat to fold down. This actually needs to be replaced. So we were able to hook it up, make it work, but now the new part came in, so we're going to replace that today. You'll notice that down there was one Phillips head screw. We're going to take that screw out. So once you get out that Phillips head screw, you just want to gently pry up here, right on the back side, pull it out. And you're going to see that you have the cable right in there. Yeah, it's clipped in here and it locks in here. So then all you want to do is lift up on this part. You want to lift up on that part. Okay. You want to actuate this. Boom. You just want to lift slip the cable out. Now to get the new cable, or rather the new handle into the cable into the new handle, it's going to be a similar process. You just take this peg, slip it into this hole right here. You'll notice that on the side where there's the hole, there's the bracket, and it's stamped R. So first set up the orientation. We know that the handle goes like this, right? So that'll help you out. So I just want to slip that cable in there. Might be a little rough. Hold on. Oh yeah, buddy. I never like dealing with these cables at all. So there it is. Okay. And now what you want to do is you just want to push it backwards so that we can snap in that. That's it. Now we're going to take this. Back in here, just slip it back in, and then we're gonna slap it down and reinstall that Phillips. I reinstalled the Phillips head. I also took off this headrest, which you just do by lifting up and depressing this button. So let's do a function test on the new. Here's our old handle. You'll notice it is very, very loose. So something happened there. Let's do a function check on the new cable. Still gonna have some looseness, but 10 times better than what it used to be. All right, I also unzipped the seat a little bit because I wasn't sure. It's been a while since I looked at this car, but that is basically all you need to do. Actually, you didn't even need to unzip this, so forget that. Boom, put it up, function test. It's tighter than it used to be. We're good. And there you have it.